Hola mis serenitas, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Chiquita Serenita, and today we're doing a tutorial review and swatches of the new Too Faced Salted Caramel palette. This is a super cute palette, you guys. It is seriously the palm size of your hand palette. Now, I already mentioned this later on in the video as I'm saying goodbye, but I will mention it right now. I had bought their one from last year, which was the hot buttered rum one, and it was limited edition just as much as this one was, but I wasn't really impressed with that one. That one was just okay. It had yellow tones, but I feel like it was so much repetitive mattes and yellows that it didn't really impress me. But this one right here is so cute. Look at the tones in here. You guys know that I live for oranges. I love that they added that random maroon brown right there. And this one up here is called Caramel Apple. Like, oh God. If you guys are wondering what I have on my lips, I'm wearing the Too Faced Melted Matte from the new 4-piece. The one that I just did the video on for the lip swatches. This is the Caramel Apple one, which happens to be my favorite out of those four. So Caramel Apple versus Caramel Apple, you guys. What do you guys think? It's similar colors, right? That's very cute. This is a matte with glitter, by the way. It has little micro glitters in there. It's super cute. I love it. So let me start. I'm going to start with the swatches. I'm going to start from here to there. And you guys know it's going to be quick because this is just like 8 shadows, literally. So the one we're going to start with, this one on top is called Ooey Gooey. And this is a very light vanilla. I'm not impressed with this one because it is seriously the lightest shade, and I don't really gravitate towards the lightest shade. It's supposed to smell like salted caramel. I just thought it smelled salted. It smells good, don't get me wrong, but I just like, okay, salted caramel. I can definitely smell the salt in there, you know? So the next one is called Golden Sugar, and this one is a shimmer. It looks like a shimmery bronze. Ooh, I love that one. I didn't get to use that one today, by the way, which is why you guys see that reaction. And then we have Drizzle It, which is this one right here. You guys know I don't usually pick up the palette, but since they're so little ones, and I have to because the colors are on the bottom, you know, on the bottom. I can't see it. So that one's cute. That one is just a straight up matte. The one next to it is a glitter with matte with glitter, and that one is called Caramel Apple, like I just said earlier. It does feel a little bit on the dry side, and I think that's just the caramel, like that's just the formula of it. It is so freaking pretty on my finger alone, you guys. Like, oh my God, I just swatched it, and all you guys can see is straight up little gold glitter across. That is such a beautiful color, you guys. I don't care what anyone thinks. That color alone sells me the palette. In the next row, we're going to start with this one right here, and that one is called Butter Me Up. This one is the one that I used on my overall eyelid. It is super pretty. I feel like it's a champagne gold shimmer. At least that, it is blinding. Tell me that's not blinding right there. And then next to that, you have this one right here. I actually use that as my transition shade right there, you guys. That one is called Soft and Chewy. It's very cute. I love the way, that one had to be built up just a little bit, but she shows up so beautifully on her own, and she is pigmented, you guys. Once I built her up, oh, she's like this beautiful pumpkin matte. I don't know. I love that color. And then next to her, we have this one right here that's called Toffee. Toffee to me looks like this random duochrome between a pink and a gold. I used her as my inner corner highlight. She is super freaking pretty. Like, no joke. See the way she came out right here? She's so pretty, you guys. And then the last one in here, of course not the least one, we have this maroon brown right here that's called Make Me Melt. She does feel a little on the dry side too, just like similar to this one, Caramel Apple. She feels very dry. I had no problems with her, you know, blending out, but just in case somebody mentions it, I don't want someone to say you didn't mention that it was like a very dry, chalky feeling formula. Well, I'm telling you now. So that's it for the swatches. Like I said, it is a very cute palette. I'm actually very impressed how I was able to get this look. And just so you guys know, I do have glitter on, and the glitter is not from this palette. The glitter that I use is from Hip Dot's. It is from Hip Dot's Glitter Deco new palette. This is a brand new palette. They released 2 new glitter palettes, and I bought both of them. I don't plan on showing swatches for them, you guys, only because it's a glitter palette. But if you guys want them, I don't care if even one person asks. I will do swatches for you guys. That's very simple. Because all I have to do is go on camera and be like, this is the swatches of all this. This is the swatches of all that one. It's a glitter palette. You can't really do anything with it. I can't use a glitter palette on its own, you know. I need to use it in conjunction with another palette. So, like I said, if you guys want that, I'll do that. It's not a big deal to me. Other than that, you guys, I'm pretty much done right now. So, if you guys want to see how I created this look today, just stay tuned. Okay, you guys, for my first color, I went in with this color right here. I'm not sure how the back of the thing goes. I'm thinking this one is called Toffee. Soft and chewy and butter me up. Oh, God, I don't even know how, in what. Yeah, I think that's how it goes from this way to that way. So, Toffee, soft and chewy then. This one is called Soft and Chewy. So, that is the one you guys are going to see me use as a transition shade. So for my next color, I went in with this shimmer right here in the corner. It's called Butter Me Up right there. And that is the one that I'm going to use all over my eyelid. So for my next color, I went in with this really dark red maroon brown. And it is called Make Me Melt. It's a very pretty matte, you guys. And I tapped it in this corner a little bit across and then halfway on the bottom lid. So for the one that I used right here in my bottom, I went in with this one on the top. It is a super dark orangey with glitter in it. It is called Caramel Apple. It's very pretty, you guys. I'm seriously loving that color right there, and I'm like, oh my god. I wanted to use that one all over my eyelid, but it's just, I was like, I don't know, you know, and I just didn't end up doing it. So I'm going to apply it right here, and I'm going to basically blend it into that brown that's already there. So that's what you guys are going to see me do. So for my inner corner highlight, you guys, I went in with this one right here that's called Toffee. And it is very pretty, you guys. Actually, I think it's called, yeah, it is. It's Toffee. I'm telling you guys, they make it all mixed up in the back. The way that, I don't even know if you guys can see the little names. It's like basically the opposite. So whatever's on the left-hand side is really on the right-hand side when you flip it like that. I don't know what the heck. Why did they do that? Seriously. So what's supposed to be Butter Me Up on right here and then Butter Me Up and Ooey Gooey right here is actually on the opposite side than versus where it's supposed to be. So yeah, you guys, that's what you guys are going to see me do. And you guys already know I do it with my fingers. So that's pretty much it for the eye look, you guys. I will say that I do have a glitter on this eye, and I'm not going to do it for this eye for the sake of the, you know, close up, because I don't want you guys to get confused and think, where did she get that glitter from if the glitter is clearly not in that palette? Yeah, it's true. It's not in that palette, and I just really wanted something extra, so I added the glitter. The glitter is actually from this new Hip Dot Glitter Deco Pressed Glitter Palette. And I used the one right here in the corner that's called Peace right here. It's an orange glitter. So yeah, you guys, let me just go and put on my mascara, and then I'll come back to give you guys a close-up. Most likely after I give you guys that close-up, I'll come back and I'll have magically eyeliner on, because you know, I always do eyeliner. but I do plan on giving you guys a close-up with just mascara, and then you guys seeing one glitter, one not glitter, right? I don't want you guys to get confused. There is no glitter in this palette. So let me do that, and I'll be right back. So this is the finished eye look today, you guys, and like I said, this eye has glitter and that one doesn't because I use the Hip Dot glitter for it. I think the glitter gives it a little extra don't you guys think? But it's very beautiful on its own, so it doesn't need the glitter. Totally doesn't need it, you guys. So let me back you guys out and give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I actually really like this palette. You know, I bought another one from them, like, I think last year. The Hot Butter Rum palette, and I did make a tutorial on the Hot Buttered Rum. I didn't like that one. I just thought it was okay. I ended up giving that away to my friend. I wasn't impressed by it. It was by no means impressive palette. It was limited edition, just like this one. But this one is super cute. I'm actually really interested in I want to do the Kitty Scratch one and the Light My Fire one. I really want to buy those two, but I'm just holding off because there's just so many things that are getting bombarded right now. And definitely, if you're really interested in this one, I would totally say go for it. And like always, it's super cute. It's small. It's super small, you guys. It's like the palm size of your hand, you know? It's got 8 colors. All the colors are very workable. I feel like they do complement plenty of skin tones, enough skin tones to be able to, like, you know, fight on its own, be a contender on its own. The only one I'm not impressed with is that, you know, the light one. You guys already know I don't use those for nothing. That one is called Ooey Gooey, but that's the only one. I really love these shimmers, and it smells sweet. I wouldn't say it smells like salted. It smells definitely salted to me. I don't know about caramel, but it smelled salty. But other than that, you guys, it is a cute palette. I do 100% recommend it. It's very cute. So other than that, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. And until next time, stay warm, stay blessed, and stay magical. Bye, you guys.